Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add audio devices to your meeting on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the Start Meeting option at your home page. Click on the Start button down below. Tap on the three dots icon and click on Audio Devices in the Audio and Video section. Here, as you can see, there are a bunch of options. So via AirPlay you can choose your speaker, or you can also see that there is a TV that you can add to your meeting. So click on it and then your TV will be added to your meeting if it is loaded in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.